With upscale details and European styling, the Winnebago View and Navion offer the freedom of living large in a compact coach. Combining quality with comfort on the Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis, the Winnebago View and Navion provide an unparalleled Class C experience. The View and Navion's 3 slide-out equipped floor plans offer a variety of sleeping and living space choices. Each model provides all that you need while traveling, including flexible sleeping and seating accommodations, a full bath, and a spacious kitchen area. Starting with the Winnebago View and Navion 24D floor plan. The 24D offers a Murphy bed sleeping system that is stored while traveling, and a sofa and movable table are then located in its spot. This allows more living space while traveling and throughout the day. The 24D floor plan offers a U-shaped dinette that offers ample seating and can be converted into a sleeping space if needed. The 24D floor plan also includes a kitchen pantry, a very large wardrobe, and a large slide-out. The Winnebago View and Navion 24J floor plan offers a full-time rear corner bed. The 24J floor plan also has a U-shaped dinette that offers plenty of seating and can be converted to a sleeping space. This model has the vanity sink located outside of the bathroom, offering privacy while another is in the bathroom, as a deep slide-out which provides a great deal of interior and exterior storage. And finally, the Winnebago View and Navion 24V floor plan offers rear twin-sized beds that can be converted into one large bed with a flex bed system. You may choose either a sofa or dual recliners for your seating and dining area. The 24V floor plan also includes ample bedroom storage with 2 wardrobes, underbed storage, and upper cabinet storage. Whichever floor plan you choose, there's so many comfort features that come standard in the Winnebago View and Navion. The Truma Aquago, the powered patio awning, the Super Shell sleeper deck, the winterization package, solar power, all of these things make your experience incredibly easy and comfortable. Wherever your destination takes you, you'll be able to travel in ease and in comfort in the Winnebago View and Navion.